Hi, my name is Anil, and 5 months ago I had a hair transplant with Este Medical Group. Roughly 7 years ago, my hair was receding quite a lot and I decided to get some help. And I came across Este Medical Group's Instagram page. After my free consultation, within a couple of hours I made my decision and I booked in straight away for the transplant. I arrived in Istanbul and within 3 or 4 hours my procedure was done. I hardly felt any pain and I was kind of surprised how quickly the procedure was. The second day when I arrived in Birmingham, I had my hair washed. So within 10 days, maybe 2 weeks, I started seeing the results, which I was really surprised by. And I was coming into the clinic twice a week to have this laser therapy. And then I was put onto the minoxidil. 3 months later, I got introduced to the derma roller, and the derma roller is what really skyrocketed my hair growth. I started seeing thicker hair and longer hair come through. I would recommend Este Medical Group to anyone that is looking to get a hair transplant or even any other sort of procedure. The staff members are really friendly, they're very helpful, and they provide all sorts of insights, and they do give you the best recommendation.